Ang pag-aasawa daw ay isang desisyon na kailangan mong pag-isipan ng maraming beses. Dahil sa pag-aasawa, maraming magbabago. Maraming pagsubok ang kailangan mong harapin. Maraming pagkakataon na kailangan mong tiisin. At higit sa lahat, kailangan buo ang puso mo na tanggapin lahat ng kahinaan ng iyong kabiyak.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa simpleng hangarin, pinalawak ng mataimtim na dasalin. Ngayon, bagong bukas nang haharapin. Kasamang pinagsama mga pangarap natin.
Alam niyo ba, maraming itatawag dito sa kasal na ito. Tatawagin siguro itong wedding of the year, baka wedding of the decade. Marami pang iba. Pero natitiyak ko, after many years or maybe even today, ang tingin na lang niyo sa araw na ito talaga ay ito, you gave yourselves to each other in this Marian Church of the Immaculate Conception.
Kami niyan, nagsimula kami sa Darna. And then we eventually became off-screen friends. Tapos dun ko nasimulan marinig ang mga storya tungkol kay Dong.
Sino ba talaga si Ding Dong Dantes? As a brother, I can say that Kuya is a very good example and is someone you could look up to.
Siguro kami lang ang dalawang mag-best friend na never nagmurahan. Even through the lowest of the low. No, kung may problema kami, we'd say hurtful words, even in the extreme times. Kaya kahit na may mga problema, at the end of the day, mag-best friends pa rin kami.
There was this time also, I was working abroad in Bermuda, and I will never forget this moment because in spite of Ding Dong's busy schedule, yung 2 days in between, talagang pinilit niya pumunta sa Bermuda para magkita kami. Talaga namang sinulit namin na talagang 48 hours kaming hindi natulog at nagkwentuhan lang. And during that time, doon ko nalaman kung gaano niya kamahal si Marian Rivera.
Hindi lang siya mabait as a co-star, ganyan, pero mabait din siya bilang girlfriend. Sa kanya ko natutunan ng to give it all. Because when you give it all, you get even more back.
It was really a blessing for both of you for having each other. Because you both have the kindest heart.
The Lord has bound you together, and what God has joined together, He will keep together. Go forth in hope. Go forth with confidence, because the Lord has blessed you and will continue blessing you.
Ang sabi nga ni Mark Twain, there are 2 important days in your life.
One is the day that you're born, and the second is the day that you find out why you were born. For me, and then I can speak in behalf of my wife, for us, this is the second most important day of our lives because we are on our journey to our new life.
Tito Dong, pinabibigay po ni Tita Marian. Sabi niya, hindi ka daw niya i-Indianin. Ganun ha? Ulit. Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Tito Dong, ito po yung regalo ni Tita. Hindi daw po kayo i-Indianin.
Very good!
Pag tiningnan mo siya, maalaala mo at mapatutuhanan mo, talaga palang mahal ka ng Panginoon sapagkat ibinigay niya sa iyo ang pinakabagay para sa iyo.
At naniniwala po ako doon dahil katabi ko po ang pinakamamahal kong lalaki at ang saya-saya ko talaga. Thank you for loving me so much and I love you.
I love you, baby. This is a celebration of love. We do not know what is ahead. We do not know what we will encounter later on. But what we will hold on to and what we know and what we are sure about is our love for each other. And right now, that is all that matters.
You are so blessed
and that all your prayers, the both of you, have been answered. And I just wish that this new journey that you are entering, na you welcome it with so much gratitude and humility. Mahal na mahal kita yan, and we will always be here to support you in your marriage and your family.
We both know that I have missed a lot of opportunities to show how much I appreciate all the effort and support you are giving us. Despite our differences, I am very grateful that you never gave up on me at the time that even I gave up on myself. You're not just a brother to me, but also a mentor, and you're my idol. Now I'm proud to say that I have the best brother. Just never forget that we are always here for you, no matter what.
We love you, and we know that you love him fully, completely, wholeheartedly, with all your heart, mind, soul, and spirit. And there's no doubt in our minds, this is a collective consciousness. We all believe that you have a happily ever after. This is the wedding of the decade.
Para sa akin ang pag-aasawa ay isang biyaya mula sa may kapal. Isang taong iyong makakasama, makakatuwang mo sa lungkot at saya, sa hirap at ginhawa, at magmamahal sa iyo ng higit sa buhay mo.
Ate Ann, thank you for taking care of Kuya. We appreciate all the things you have done for him. He may not be the perfect one. He may not be perfect, but one thing I can assure you is that he will be a great husband, because I believe that what he does to us, he will also do the same to your future family.
Nag-aasaran pa naman kami ni Dong. Sino unang iyak? Ikaw! Pusahan tayo! Mukhang ako matatalo Mukhang ako mauuna. Wag. Kailangan siya.
Hindi po alam.
Sobrang happy ako. Lahat ng mga gusto mong mangyari, eto na. Nandiyan si Papa mo, si Mama, ang Lola. Alam kong sobrang saya ka.
Grabe yung journey mo as a woman. You started loving him just as a very simple love. But sincere, very sincere, simple love. And then it became a little complicated. Parang nagkaroon ng mga drama sa paligid. Na-witness ko yung kung paano kayo mag-overcome at mag-usap, mag-compromise. Ang ganda, nakakaiyak.
In this new lifetime that we will have, I now can see clearly the ending that I've always imagined. But what matters most is the journey and how to get there. And for as long as I'm with you, it does not matter where. I can jump off any cliff, no matter how high. As long as I know you are there, holding my hand.
Salamat. Dahil ikaw ang kumumpleto ng ibig sabihin ng totoong masayang buhay. Salamat dahil sa araw na to, ang isa sa pinapangarap ko sa buhay ay ibibigay niyo. Salamat dahil ikaw ang sagot sa lahat ng dasal ko na ibinigay sa akin ng Panginoon. Salamat dahil kinumpleto mo ang ibig sabihin ng totoong buhay.
But above all the things that mean the world to me, I give you one thing that no other can. My life.
At palaging mong tatandaan na mahal kita. Higit sa buhay ko.
Bueno, muchas noches y muchas felicidades para todo el mundo. Porque es un día muy especial para mí, para la niña que tengo aquí a mi lado. Junto a ella yo pensaba que era una niña muy especial cuando era pequeña. Y ahora mismo es una estrella.
Marian Glacia, and while only death can do us part, I pray to the very God who put us together that you and I should never part in this lifetime or the next.
Ito ay isang pangarap na matagal ko nang inaasam-asam. Ang magkaroon ng isang pamilya, masaya at buo. At ikaw ang tutupad nun. Ikaw ang magiging sagot sa aking mga pangarap. Sa araw na to, gusto kong iparamdam sa'yo kung gaano ko kasaya na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.